Forward na tayo. Thank you so much. Ayan. And now, thank you, Lucille. You may now sit. And now, let's proceed for the 7 candles. Also, the 7 candles symbolize for the lightning and the guiding for the birthday girl, Eliza. So, ang kabilang ito ay sumisimbolo, syempre, na igay po natin. Ayan, hanggang sa kanyang paglaki. At syempre, for these 7 candles, you can give your message para kay Eliza. And now, sindihan natin ang unang kandila. And now, let's call on for the first candle is Aba. Palapakan naman natin si Aba. Let's proceed. Okay. Ate Media, let's for the first candle. Yes. I can get the... Ayan. Okay. And now, syempre, for the second candle, say huwag muna natin i-blow yung candle dahil because Ate Eliza will blow that. And now, for the second candle, let's call on Kate. Palapakan naman natin si Kate. Okay, Kate, get the candle. And what is your message for Eliza?
Happy birthday, Eliza. I wish you good health and good grades.
Okay, palakpakan naman natin si Kate. Thank you so much, Ate Kate. And now, for the third candle, let's call on Ate Keisha. Okay, Keisha.
I wish you, Eliza, good health and success in your studies.
Thank you. Palakpakan naman natin si Keisha, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan. And now, let's call on for the fourth candle. She's no other than... Okay, let's call Kuya Joshua pala. Ayan. Joshua? He is here? Joshua. Joshua? It's Joshua. Okay. Joshua Julie.
Happy birthday, Eliza. Tapos mo pag-aaral.
Thank you. Palakpakan naman natin si Joshua Julie. Move ka dito ng side. And now,